Good evening, Benv family. Good evening, Benv family. You guys are my family. You guys are like my family and friends. You understand? That's what I'll call you guys because I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. You guys know that. You understand? So let me just go straight to the point. But if we have plenty people on the live stream again, I'll still talk about it. There is a trade that I took that we took together during London section, you understand? And this thing, taking through on live video has been my major problem for long. I took like for the past this thing, the time that I for long now, you understand, I tried to like take trade during live London section or New York section, you understand. I took two trade that time, it hit SL, and whenever I go, I take trade behind the camera, it will be I'll end in profit. Some I'll end in loss, some I'll end in profit. The two trade that I took that time end in loss, you understand. Then this particular one, is it which day again? You understand? I come on live video here to take a trade with you guys. I end in loss again, which is make it three losses. You understand, on the live video. Me, since I started like coming to live video to take a trade with you guys, I've never make profit. So I say that is a challenge for me. You understand? Because I cannot be here preaching about my strategy is working, my strategy is working, show you guys how my strategy be, everything. Then I cannot be able to take a trade live with you guys. Anytime I try to take trade live with you guys, will end in loss. You understand? Anytime at all that I try to take trade live with you guys will end in loss. So it's a challenge for me. You understand? It's a challenge for me. So, and I said I'm not going to stop. You understand? Regardless of how it is, I'm not going to stop. You understand? I love challenge. I embrace it. I love it. You understand? Anything that challenge me, that's what I love the most. You understand, ba? So I come on my live, I come on live video during London section again today, and I wait for strategy to play out. God so kind, immediately I come on live video, in the short period of time, strategy played out, and we took that particular trade. Immediately, do you know what happened? As we enter that particular trade, market consolidate from London section down to New York section before the market move in our favor. But do you know the shocking part of it? The market, if not because I give a little breathing space before the market go in our favor, if not because I give a little breathing space from our entry, the market for stop us out before it go in our favor. So this is the fourth time I'm taking trade live with you, with my people, with you guys that I love. You understand? Then this is the first winning trade. You understand? I thought about it. I say, should I stop taking trade with these people or I should continue? But one thing in me, I love challenge. You understand? Anything that challenge me, that's what I do the most. You understand? So the market played out till during New York section. Towards this evening, around 3 to 4, that is when the market go in our favor. And I'm going to share my screen with you guys so that you see how long it consolidates before it go in our favor. You understand? So inside that 4 trade that I took live with you guys for the past how many months now, let me just say for the past 5 months, I've been ending my week in profit. But anytime I say let me take a trade with you guys, I will end up losing that particular trade. You understand? So it's a challenge for me, and I love challenge. I embrace it. You understand? I take challenge. I challenge is what I love the most. Before, when I start creating content, you understand, coming to live stream, my sister is calling, coming to live stream will be my most, sorry guys, just a minute, let me pick my sister call. Hello, sir. Yeah, okay. I'm coming. Let me share my screen with you guys so that I'll show you guys how it look like. And all of it. You guys should not vex. I'm on a call with my sister. That's the reason why. Hi, you're welcome, my brother. You're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome. You're welcome. The community love you, the family love you. You're highly welcome. I appreciate your coming. So, for over how many, like, this is my fourth time trading live with my people on YouTube here, and this is the first take profit that will hit. Understand? Then, how do I come about this particular take profit? If you look closely, let me show you guys what I see before I give this particular signal. If you look closely, the market is on this particular on 1 hour time frame. That's where we'll see the bigger picture of it. On 1 hour time frame, the market is on this particular support level. The market is on this particular support level, and this is the first touch. You understand? This is the first touch. Then this is the second touch. You understand? Then we'll enter this particular trade very, very early. You get to enter this particular trade very, very early, of which the market immediately I see this particular bullish engulfing candle. I told the people that is on live that particular time.
Payment received in OPay.
I told the people that is live with me that we should take a buy from this particular area. Then our stop loss should be here. You understand? Then you see the consolidation. The market consolidate around this particular area. You understand? Down to this area. You understand? This is almost 3 o'clock before this bullish engulfing candle on the 15-minute time frame form. You understand? Before the market went all the way to this particular area. And do you know why the market come to this particular area and it fall back? The reason is there is a fair value gap here, and I explained everything during that particular London section. There is a fair value gap around this particular area. That is the area the market went to, you understand, to tap in before the market come down to this particular to the same support level. You understand? I don't know if you guys are understanding me. I don't know if you guys are understanding what I'm saying. I don't know if you guys are understanding what I'm saying. So this is my first trade that hit take profit. You understand? I've taken 4 trade live. You understand? But this is the first one that hit take profit. You get? And the reason why I even still man up to come on this particular live section and see take this particular trade is because I love anything that wants to challenge me. I love challenges. So as I had that, oh my brother, you're welcome, you're highly welcome. You're highly welcome. I see you. Either you're my brother or my sister. I don't know. But you're highly welcome. You're highly welcome. So I love challenges. You understand? That's the reason why I still man up to come on this particular to come on live section to take this particular trade with the people who always view my live section. You understand? So the strategy, not that the strategy is not working. You understand? The strategy is working. So I always talk about this particular strategy. Now is time for me now to prove it to you guys live and direct. That I want you guys to be seeing it live and direct while I'm using the same strategy to take that particular trade. But if you don't understand the strategy, just let me know. You understand? So that I'll analyze it. I'll break the strategy down for you guys. You understand, ba? If you don't understand the strategy, just let me know so that I'll break the strategy down for you guys so that you guys will see how the strategy look like, and so that you guys will see how the strategy look like. Okay, you say you don't understand. So this is what I always do. This is what I always do, and this is the strategy that I've been using for over 2 years now. You understand? I stick to this particular strategy for over 2 years. So I take my trade from a support to a resistance level, and if before that particular resistance level, I'll watch closely if there is a fair value gap. You understand? Before that resistance level, then I'll wait for market to come to a support level. And if you look closely, this is a support level. You understand? This is a support level, and immediately during that London section that I come on live video here, I see this particular bullish engulfing candle on the 15-minute time frame. You understand? If a market come to a support level, a major support level, and I see this type of candlestick, this is the candlestick, this type of candlestick, immediately I see this type of candlestick, I will allow it to close, and if I see it close normal, then I'll enter from the next candlestick that will open. You understand? Unfortunately for us, anytime I use this particular type of strategy, the market will go in my favor straight. You understand? If I enter it at the right time. You understand? Just see the sample here. Before the market take the aggressive move to the upside, this is a bullish engulfing candle on the 15-minute time frame. You understand? That send the market all the way to this particular strategy. From a major support level, not any how support level. Anytime you see this particular strategy from a major support level, not any how support level, anytime you see the market, like anytime you see this particular strategy from a support level, just enter your trade and pull and give a little breathing space. At least if it's on Euro USD, give at least 15 pip SL, you understand, from your entry. Either 15 to 20 pip SL. If you don't, like, if you are just a beginning in this particular using this strategy, if you are a beginner using this strategy, just give 15 to 20 pip stop loss. You understand? Let it have enough breathing space so that no matter the manipulation on the market, you will not be hit out before it will go in your favor. You understand? Then risk management is another thing that you need to put together. You understand? So this is how the strategy look like. I'll wait for a bullish engulfing candle on the 15-minute time frame on the support level. You understand? Before I take the trade. You understand? Then I'll be target 1 to 2. That is 1:2. That's exactly what I always look for. And as you can see, this is where I mark out. This is a fair value gap that I mark out. You understand? I mark this particular fair value gap out, and immediately the market tap on this particular fair value gap, the market go down straight. You understand? If you want, if you really want to understand this particular strategy, check that last London section live video that I do in the morning. You understand? You should see that London section live video that I do in the morning. It will give you a very a clarity of this particular strategy. You understand? Or of how I use it. You understand? I come on this particular live section all the time to preach about this particular strategy because it's working. You understand? It's working 100%. It's working. At least, what's it? Yes. So it's working. It's working. So that's the reason why I can be boldly come on this particular live section and take a trade with you guys. You understand? The first trade that I take with you guys, with my viewers, I think that was about how many weeks ago, how many months ago. The two trade that I take hit SL. You understand? Day before yesterday, or yeah, day before yesterday, I took a trade and it hit SL. But I said it's not going to stop me. That was not going to stop me because, like, I don't have the confidence before. I don't have the confidence to like come on live video to take a trade with my people. But now I love challenges. I embrace it because it will build me. You understand? So it's a challenge for me. So any particular trade that I want to take now, I'll come on live video and take that particular trade. You understand, with you guys? So everybody, like everybody that take this particular trade with me, all of them make 1 to 2 clean, because I told them that this is BE here, this is break even here. I told them that if the market reach this particular area, that they should break even, that they should take their stop loss to their entry point. You understand? So that they will leave the market running. And immediately the market reach this particular area, the market goes straight and hit our take profit. Clean and clear. No any retracement to hit your break even or anything. You understand? So the market just goes straight and give our 1 to 2, and this is where the market reverse from this particular fair value gap. So whenever you are taking your trade, if you take that particular trade from if you take that particular trade from a support level, just watch out. You understand? Look at a fair value gap at before the resistance level. You understand? Look at the fair value gap before the resistance level. The market might reverse from that particular fair value gap. That's the reason why I mark this particular place out. So now, do you understand the strategy? If you understand the strategy, just let me know. Taste of mystery. You are welcome, my brother. You are welcome. 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 How did that trade go? Tip is straight, my brother. Tip is straight. Shey I told you guys that I love anything that challenge me. You understand? Anything that challenge me, that's what I want. I will try it. Thank you. Okay, that's very great. That's very great. That's very great. Thank you so much. Thank you. So anything that's challenged me, you understand, that's what I do. I do anything at all that challenge me. Omo, let's go. Congrats, bro. Thank you, my brother. Thank you, my brother. See, the market consolidates. You understand? This is just how it works. The market consolidate. Thank God we are alive on that particular London section. The market consolidate all the way to this place. You understand? And you see the manipulation before the market take off. Mm? Go to take profit. Do you see the manipulation? You understand? Adebiyin would not give a breathing space, you understand, the market for hit us out. You understand? Just like this particular strategy, I have studied it to the level that I know it's work. You understand? That's the reason why I can boldly come on live video and use it to take trade with you guys. Let you guys know that everything that I've been preaching is not for preaching sake. You understand? I'm not just saying it just to get an engagement. I know exactly what I'm doing. And since this thing is a challenge for me now, I'll take it upon myself to be taking this particular, this type of season that we are, that the market don't have a direction, but this particular strategy always work. You understand? So my P&L for this particular week, let me on my phone so that I'll show you guys my P&L for this week. I'm going to on my phone now so that I'll show you guys my P&L for this particular week. So that you guys will see my P&L for this particular week. This is the best week ever. For since I started documenting my journey, this is my best week ever. You understand? And I make a short video and I say, I love to start where people stop. You understand? That place where people stop, that is where me, Benv, like to start from. You understand? I don't know if people understand that particular language. I'm not going to stay on this particular live stream for long, but that place where people see very difficult to stop, that is where Benv starts from. I'm still going to repeat this particular thing. I'm still going to repeat it. Do you see that particular place where everybody see it very difficult to pass? That is where Benv love to start from. You understand? I love to I want I love challenges. I love to do the difficult things. You understand? I choose difficulties. Like I choose difficulties. I don't want anything that will be like, I don't want simple something. I choose difficulties. You understand? I choose anything that will challenge me. Let me see if that particular thing will break me or it will build me. You understand? And I don't think it will break. I don't think any challenges can break me. It will either strong, like motivate me to go more. You understand? If I know that yes, this thing is a challenge, I'll beat my chest and I'll say yes, I'll do that. You understand? And if I know that yes, this thing is in this industry that we are like this, you guys need to like stay active in this industry that we are like that will find ourselves. Anything that you know that yes, this thing is very very strong, like it's something that people run from, just let me know of that particular thing. You understand? But let me know of that particular thing. If I can conquer shame, because me before to come on live video, I'll be ashamed. You understand? To come on live video. You understand? To even make content, I'll be ashamed to make content. I have the knowledge. I have all it take. You understand? I have the knowledge to share to people, but I keep on restricting myself until one day I say fuck it, I'm going to do this particular thing. That is the reason why you guys are seeing me here today. You understand? That's the reason why you guys are seeing me here today. So I choose anything that looks very, very difficult. I choose it because that's what I love the most. You understand? And I want you guys to choose the difficult things, because it's like that thing, that particular thing that you are seeing, that you are seeing as if, that you are seeing that it's very, very difficult. That thing is the most simplest things ever. You understand? That thing that you are seeing, that you think it is very, very difficult, is the most simplest things ever. You understand? Why did I still stay on this particular trading journey till today? All my guys that will start this particular journey give up, but me, I choose it. Regardless, I know trading is not easy. It's not something that you come 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4 day, 5 days, 1 month, 2 week, 3 week, like 1 year. See me now till today, I have complete 4 years now in the game, and I cannot buy a Lamborghini. I cannot buy a house in Lekki just like the other traders, but I'm still in this particular game. Why? Because I choose the hardest thing. You understand? And I think the only thing that will restrict me now from making it to the top 2026 will be capital. You understand, ba? Frankly speaking, the only thing that will restrict me to making it to the top 2026 will be capital, because the knowledge, I've gathered the knowledge, I've gathered the knowledge enough. The patience, I've gathered the patience enough. The strategy, I've getting my strategy right. You understand? I had an edge in the market. I have a strong strategy that work in the market now. So the only thing that is going to restrict me to next year from achieving whatever I want to achieve, then it will be a it will be a capital. You understand? It's only capital that can restrict me from achieving anything that trader can achieve from trading next year. You understand? But I'm still praying to God for open doors. You understand? Make God just open door for me. If God can be able to open door for me, you guys will see the result of my hard work next year. And that next year is approaching, fastly approaching. So now, like this is my first ever take profit on live video. You understand? Ever since I've taken 4 trade live, you understand? But this is my first win. And this first win, I've opened the door. You understand? It will be back-to-back win now like this, because I've discovered myself. That day, the last loss that I had, I said, I'm going to like think about what I did wrong. You understand? And I think about it, and I re-strategize how I'll come on live video, and I'll re-strategize how I'm going to be using my strategy to take a trade with you guys. So this is my first win. You understand? From that 4th trade that I have been taking with you guys, this is my first win. And this first win, I've opened doors, a lot of doors. You understand? I've opened doors to more wins. That's just it. It has opened door to more win in this game. So I want to hear from you guys now. I want to hear from you guys. How did your trading week go? How this particular week go for you now, like this? How this particular week go for you? I want to see a response. I want to see a response. How this week go for you? Let me know in the comment section. How this week go for you? If you end this week in profit, just let me know in the comment section. And if you end it in loss, there's nothing to be ashamed of. You understand? That's what you need to know. There is nothing on this particular planet Earth that you should be ashamed of. You understand? Because you don't know who 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 will help you, and this is online. You don't know who is watching you that can help you. You understand? And any your week in loss or profit sef does not mean anything. It's a normal thing. Who is this now? If I on my phone immediately, calls will be entering like as if I do another thing. And let me put it on do not disturb. So please let me know real quick. If you end your week in profit, just let me know real quick. Let me know real quick. If you end your week in profit, just let me know real quick. I'm not going to stay on this particular live stream for long. I'm not going to stay on this particular live stream for long. I'm not going to stay on this particular live stream for long. If you end your week in profit, just let me know. Do not disturb. Where is it? Do not disturb. Yep. So who's active? I want to show you guys my P&L for the week. I want to know people that are active. I want to show you guys my P&L for the week. I want to show you guys my P&L for the week. I want to show you guys my P&L for the week. If you are active, just let me know. If you are active, just let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know if you are active. I want to show you guys my P&L for the week. I want to show you guys my P&L for the week. So if you're active, just let me know so that I'll show you. Because maybe if you're active, just let me know so that I'll show my P&L for the week. Because maybe I may not be able to make video, you understand, to post. Because video will be overcrowded. You understand? I'm posting short, I'm posting live video, I'm posting like video will be overcrowded. So I don't know if I'm going to like make video. You understand? I'm active, just monitoring my scalp. Okay. But this is weekend. Okay, your own is this thing. How is it called? Crypto. Your own is crypto. Okay, so this is my P&L for the week. So as you can see, okay, let me. This is my P&L. If you look closely, this is 1 week. Is on last week. This is last week. As you can see, last week, right? Then see the P&L for last week. This is my P&L for last week. $373. Understand? $373 is my P&L for the week. $373 is my P&L for the week. So how do you see it? Did I try or I did not try? This is a strong week. Oh, this is a strong week, and I think this week is my like this week favors me. That's just it. This week favor me well like this. This week favor me. This week just favor me. You understand? So this is my P&L for the week. There is loss, there is profit, there is loss, there is profit, but profit is far more than loss. Man, tomorrow, what time will you do live? It will be maybe during what time sef I can come on live video anytime. So all you need to do is to subscribe and turn on bell notification. You understand? All you need to do to be joining my live section is to like subscribe and turn on your bell notification, because I come live anytime at all. You understand? I come live anytime, anytime, anytime. So just subscribe and turn on the bell notification. Don't forget to like the video, please, before you go. Like the video before you go. You understand? So, but you see, Sunday, let me just say Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, Thursday is 8 p.m. that I come on live video. You understand? Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 8 p.m. Understand? But I come very early today because I need to show the people that take the trade with me how the trade goes. You understand? That's the reason why I come before 8 o'clock today. You understand? But from next week I'll be coming. Next week I will not be chance. Next week I will not be chance. Next week I will not be chance. Oh my goodness. I will not have chance next week. I'm traveling for one of my brother's wedding next week. But I'll be trading. I'll be trading. You understand? I'll be giving you guys updates. Next week I'm traveling. I will travel next week. You understand? But I will keep you guys updated. You understand? Maybe I'll use my phone to come on live video with you guys. But that one will be through YouTube. But this thing is on my phone. I don't know how I'm going to do it, but just the best thing you do is to just subscribe. You understand? Subscribe and turn on the bell notification so that if I come on live, you'll be notified. That is the only thing. That is the best option. Because next week I'll be very, very busy next week. You understand? Even today, the reason why I did not continue the live video till we hit take profit is because I went to service my car and I went to refill my fire extinguisher and some other things. You understand? Because I'm traveling. That's just it. So that's the reason why I could not be able to like continue the live section till we hit take profit. But I made sure I instruct them on what to do. You understand? And thank God, God so kind. The market just goes straight and hit our take profit. And it's a clean win. You understand? Clean 1 to 2. So the strategy that I'm telling you guys about, I'll be coming on live video. You understand? Just be very, very active. Me, I don't have off day. That's just me. I don't have off day. Just be very, only thing you do is to be very active. Then the knowledge I've been gathered since the last 4 years, I'll be sharing it with you guys. You understand? That's my mission. My mission is to impart in the life of a traders. You understand? That's what it's a good idea to trade midnight. Is it a good idea to trade midnight? I've never trade midnight. That time that I trade midnight is as of 2021, 2022. Those years. That's when I used to trade midnight. You understand? That's when I used to trade midnight. But this time around, anything during London session and New York session, I'm off. That's it. Except a trade I'll just like I'll enter from maybe during London session or New York session that I want to hold till the next day. That's it. But you need to like do the one that favors you. You understand? You need to do the one that favors you. But during that night, you understand, in the night there is no much volatility, you understand, in the market to move the market very fast. So during London section and New York section, there are a lot of volatility. The market is very, very volatile that period. You understand? So you need to be taking your trade during those periods. You understand? London section and New York section, that is the best time to take your trade. But I don't know the one that work for you. You understand? Which session is midnight? I think it's an Asian section. Asian section is midnight. Asian section is midnight. You understand? Asian section is midnight. We have about 3 to 4 section. There is London section. The most popular one is London section and New York section. Those are the most popular one, and those are the time that the markets move very very well. You understand? That is when there is enough liquidity and the market will be very volatile. You understand? But during evening and during that midnight, the market is very very slow because there is no much liquidity in the market. There is no much volatility in the market to move the market. You understand? So midnight trade goes well for some people, but it didn't. Me, I not see it valuable. You understand? So taste of mystery, you say something here. You say very impressive. Although I knew you were profitable by the way you talk alone. I don't need proof. Oh my God! Thank you so much, my brother. Thank you so much. But it's time now to like prove it live and direct, man, bro. I know you and UD, you guys believe me. You understand? You and UD, but all these people that go come, that don't want to stay one place, they did not believe. They will just think maybe I'm on this particular live video just to like, no, no, no. I'm just here to share my knowledge with traders. I'm here to like make an impact in the life of traders, to shift traders mindset. You understand? Talking about discipline, talking about risk management, talking about trade management, talking about so many things. You understand? So you can ask any question because I have been in this particular game for long now. I know the in and out of this particular trade. So of this particular industry. So you can ask any question and I have the answer to give you regardless. You understand? In my own point of view, you understand? In my own view, I have an answer to give you. So that's the reason why I'm always on live video, trying to impact in the life of other traders. You understand? Because I have somebody to impact in my life when I start trading. All the losses that I have, then I've for not lose those amounts. You understand? But I do not have anybody. Even right now, like this, right now that I know exactly what I'm doing, mm, I still don't have anybody around me. Do you get? Although I'd not make it public, I'd not make it public, I'd not make it public. I only come to my studio to make video. You understand? Then all my things is low key. That's just it. I'd not make it public. If not, people will be very very interested to come and learn from me. You understand? But is on a low, is on a low because I have a physical business, and even it's only studio that I have here. I will just come and make video and comot. You understand? But I have a physical business, so I cannot make it public. You understand? But there is a trading this thing station, like there is where they trade, teach people life. You understand? I can go and maybe approach that guy there if I can teach his students. You understand? If I can teach his students, because I want to impart in the life of traders. But some people will be like so arrogant and so proud. You understand? Maybe if you dey even talk to them, they will be feeling as if they know. But all these mentors that have money to open branches, they don't know exactly what, most of them don't know exactly what they are doing. Maybe me going to that particular place will be like a very advantage for him, but he will think otherwise. But I don't know how it's going to be. But I'll take that particular movement next year. You understand? I'll take that move next year to approach him if he will allow me to teach his students maybe once in a week or twice in a week, either for free. You understand? Just for free. Let me just come and be imparting in their life just for free. My son, that's exactly what I'm going to do. I will be imparting in their life just for free. That's exactly what I'm going to do. So I don't know. I will approach him. You understand? But regardless, any answer that I get, you guys are my family. I'm coming here to tell you guys. That's just it. So let me see. So I have a question. Is it a good idea to trade in the midnight? Okay, I've given answer to this particular one. Then which section is midnight? Okay, it's Asian section, just as I said. Midnight section is Asian section. Asian section. I've never put too much attention on that particular midnight section, but I think it's Asian section. Yeah, it's an Asian section. Then this particular one, I am new in trading and I don't know much. You don't have a page or group where you teach people, just contact me. You understand? You see my, but I teach everything for free here, my bro. Siabonga, I teach everything for free here, but next year I don't think everything is going to be free. But see, my this is my WhatsApp number on the screen. Let me put my WhatsApp number here for you so that you reach me on WhatsApp. If you are new, means you need somebody by your side. 090 070 8311 9905. This is my WhatsApp number. WhatsApp only. WhatsApp only. This is my WhatsApp number. You understand? This is my WhatsApp number. This is my WhatsApp number. So just copy the WhatsApp number, message me on WhatsApp. Just tell me where you are chatting from. Then we'll continue from there. You tell me the level that you are now in this particular industry. Then we'll start from there. You understand? So I'm talking to you. Anybody that want to reach me on WhatsApp, this is my WhatsApp number on the screen. You can copy the WhatsApp number and reach me. You understand? So that's it. Festus, you are welcome. Festus Miracle. Hello, chat. So how far, Festus, you are live during that London section? This is the trade I will take. You understand? This is the trade I will take, just as I predict it. So how do you see it? How do you see it? How do you see it? Smart Benson. Let me see. Let me read all the comments. Let me read all the comments from up down to. Let me read all the comments. Okay. Siabonga. Siabonga. This is my WhatsApp number on the screen. You understand? You can reach me on WhatsApp. Then this is okay. I know I just meant in Nigeria because of time difference. Okay. In Nigeria is around that kind 12 to 1. You understand? Around 12 to 1. That is when Asian session they open. In Nigeria, around 12 to 1, that is when Asian session they open. You understand? That is midnight. That's midnight. Around 12 to 1, that is when Asian session they open. Then let me see another one. Which session is midnight in Nigeria? Okay, midnight in Nigeria is Asian session. You understand? That is the Asian session. You know, Nigeria, we are very lucky. London section is in the morning, New York section is in the afternoon. You understand? So we are very, very lucky in Nigeria that all the profitable section happens during the day for us. You understand? So we are very lucky. We are very, very lucky in Nigeria. Let me see. Okay. I am new. Okay. No. I've answered to this particular. I know. Okay, I meant okay. What days are good for trading? Okay, days that are good for trading is from like, do you see, is it Smart Benson? I don't know if you are still active. Days that are good for trading is Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. You understand? Those are the best day for trading. You understand that you can take your trade. Those are the best day that you can take your trade. You see, the best day you can take your trade is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. You understand? The reason why I say Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday is because Monday market is trying to settle. You understand? To fill some gap, and because of the weekend and the rest, is trying to settle down. Then Friday market is trying to like wrap up. You understand? Market is trying to wrap up and close for the week. You You understand? So there's a lot of manipulation on Friday. You understand? And you understand? That's just how it is. So the best trading day is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Those are the best trading days. You understand? Those are the best trading days. So let me see another. What day are good for trading? What days are good for trading? Oh my God. Then what day are good for trading? Oh, sorry, I did not respond in time. Yeah, it was good, bro. Yeah, very good. Very good, my bro. Very good. Very good. Say this number is not in WhatsApp. The number is on WhatsApp. 83119905 is on WhatsApp, my bro. Is on WhatsApp. Maybe you are not from Nigeria. If you are not from Nigeria, just add +234. Let me rewrite it. +234 +234 70 83 11 99 05. Let me see. Or did I do mistake? I no come know my number again. Abi wetin happen? 070 83 11 99 05. It's correct. So if you not see it on WhatsApp, then just put +234. You understand? Put +234 like this. The country code number. You understand? That's it. Then let me see. Yeah, it was good, bro. That's very good. Just all right, smart Benson. Thank you. You're welcome. Let me see. I swear, taste of mystery will get the most. Like I told you, we are very lucky in Nigeria. All the volatile hours happens in a daytime in Nigeria. You understand? London session open from 8 to 9. New York section open from 12 to 1. You understand? You get? So all of them is during the day. So we are very lucky. That one just day. That one day. We are very lucky in Nigeria. In Nigeria, we are very lucky. That's it. We can never deny that. We can never deny that. For me to get London session, I will wake up 3 a.m. What the heck, bro? 3 a.m. for you to get London section. What? Omo, 3 a.m. for you to get London section. Omo, the time. Nigerians are just, they are the most luckiest people. When it comes to forex trading, they are the most luckiest people because all the volatile season, you understand, all the volatile, all the like all the volatile section happen during the day. You understand? So we are very lucky. If you are Nigerians is a blessed country. I'm telling you, Nigeria is a blessed country. So I finally finalized strategy today. So how far? Which one be? I have finally finalized strategy today. First to tell me what's that? You have finally finalized strategy today. I don't understand. What is that? What is that? Tell me more about what you said. You have finally finalized strategy today. What does that mean? What does that mean, bro? What does that mean? You have finally finalized strategy today. What does that mean? Let it not be what I'm thinking. No. Let it not be what I'm thinking. Let it not be what I'm thinking. Festus, you say you have finally finalized strategy. No be lie, no be lie, no be lie. But tell me more about that. Tell me more. I want to understand that particular words that you use. I want to understand what you write. Thanks, I did it. All right, all right, all right, all right. I'll see your message. Okay, yeah, I've seen your message already. Your message is here already. Mm, okay, from South Africa. That's great. That's great. That's great. All right. So you guys should ask me question, ask me question, ask me question. Omo, you did drop message for me for how this person. I have been taking many strategy all the time. So I'm back. I'm back testing to see the most profitable one, and I have found one which I have been using past 6 months now. Do you prefer entering with higher time frame candle? Okay, this one is another person. Okay, that's very great. That's very great. Congratulations, congratulations, Festus, congratulations. Even if you use a higher time frame, like, but confirm it from, like, use this thing, engulfing candlestick to confirm it. Confirm your entry from any particular strategy you are using at all. Make sure you apply bullish engulfing candle. See, this particular knowledge I'm giving for free. You guys should like my video. Like the video before you go, please. Like the video before you go. Which site is good to trade in South Africa? Site. Don't worry, means we'll chat on WhatsApp. We'll chat on WhatsApp. Since you have messaged me, we'll chat on WhatsApp. See, this particular knowledge I'm giving you guys for free. You guys should like my video. You understand? Already, okay, already liked the video. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Let me check if you guys are liking it or not. Let me check. I want to check something. Let me use my phone and check if you guys are liking the video or not. I want to check. I want to check because I'm here to give you guys all my, like, everything I know in this particular game. So I need to I want you guys to appreciate. I want you guys to appreciate. Okay, I'm seeing a like pumping up. Okay. I've seen four like already. I've seen four like already. I've seen four like already. He means broker, not sites, bro. Okay, broker. You know, I'm not in South Africa, but I'll ask one girl like that. I'll ask one girl the type of broker he's using. But South Africa will be allowed to use. Just don't worry. I will reach out to you on WhatsApp. You understand? I will reach out to you on WhatsApp. The broker you use, I'll reach out to you, but I think I'll start guiding you. You understand? I'll be guiding you on what to do. You get? I'll be guiding you on what to do so that you not go and do unnecessary mistake. Since you have my WhatsApp number already, I'll be guiding you on what to do. So don't worry. Don't worry. You are at the safer side, man. You are the safer side. So more questions, more questions, more questions. More questions, more questions, more questions. I need more questions. Okay, 4 like here too. All right, that's great. That's great. That's great. 4 like, 4 like, 4 like, 4 like, 4 like, 4 like. That's great. Mm, bro, do you have a Telegram channel? Yeah, I have a Telegram channel, but I'll be active there from 2026. Just check my description on YouTube here, please. They are using my name to scam people on Telegram. So please, any of my social media handle you want to follow, you understand? Please check the description on YouTube and follow that particular link. Any link that you not like, any of my social media that you want to follow, please check my description on YouTube and follow that party and follow my link. You understand? The link to my Telegram is on my this thing on my description on YouTube. A link to my Instagram is on my description on YouTube. A link to my Facebook is on my description on YouTube. A link to my TikTok is on my description on YouTube. So please don't follow any other link to join me. Don't go and search me. Just come on my YouTube here and follow the link, except if my video pop up on your FYP abi FYP. You understand? So I'll be very very active on Telegram next year, and that next year is around the corner. So I'll be very active. I'll be very active. I will be very active. I will be very active. So please, you guys should keep pumping the like, man. Please keep pumping the like. Keep pumping the like. Keep pumping the like. Then I discovered that almost most of people are watching the one that come shorts. This is not the one you guys are watching. You understand? This is not the one you guys are watching. You are watching the other, the vertical, not the horizontal. You are watching the vertical, not the horizontal. You guys are watching the vertical, not the horizontal. You guys are watching the vertical, not the horizontal. It's like I will not be coming live with this particular vertical again. You understand? I'll be coming live with this particular, but that vertical bring a lot of views. Then I don't know. So the only help you do is to just like the video, then that red button beside the like that red button by the side, please keep tapping it, man. You understand? Give me reaction, like give me reaction so that YouTube will recommend it to more people, please. Give me reaction so that YouTube will recommend it to more people. Okay, it's pumping up, it's pumping up, it's pumping up, man. I see it, it's pumping up. It's pumping up. Yeah, it's vertical, yes, it's vertical. You guys are watching the vertical, not the one, not the horizontal. Yeah. But you can just check and watch the horizontal. You understand? If you want to like watch it, and if you want to watch the horizontal, you can just check. But anyone that are good for you, sha, anyone that suits you, just anyone that is good for you, just stick to that. Okay. Is it private or public? And is it free to discuss trading tips? On which particular? Bro, do you have a Telegram? Yes, yes, yes. It's it's my channel, you understand? It's my channel. I share almost everything there. And next year I'm going to like discuss I know I'm going to like take another journey, start another journey next year. You understand? Taking $50 to $5,000. You understand? So I'll be taking the trade live on YouTube here, and I'll be sharing, giving this thing, how is it called, signal on that particular Telegram channel. You understand? I'll be giving signal on Telegram, and I'll be like sharing valuable content there. You understand that you guys will learn a lot from. You understand? So that's how it's going to be. So please, you guys should like, please like the video before you go. Just click on that particular like. Click the like, please. We have just 4 like now. Let it be 5, abeg. Let it be 5. Okay. Yeah. The love button is pumping. The love button is pumping. Yeah, I can see that. The love button is pumping. So Festus, I don't know if you understand. I don't know if you understand. I'm going to share every like valuable content and everything you need to know concerning forex. You understand? On that part, I'll be very active. I'll be very active. That's just it. Next year on that particular Telegram channel. You understand? So it will be very good if you join it. It will be nice if you join it. I'll be sharing valuable content there. So any other question? Any other question? Any other question? Who is the person pumping this like? Thank you so much for liking, man. Please, thank you for liking. Thank you for liking. Thank you for your like, man. Thank you for your like. 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 So what exactly do you guys want me to talk about now?
price action is not helping. Apple butter, that is valid.
Pick up a random pair and do a full top-down analysis. A random pair and do a full top-down analysis. A random pair and do a full top-down analysis. Thanks for the like, man. Thanks for the like. Thanks for the like. Thanks for the like. I really appreciate. Yes, I really appreciate. I really appreciate. I really appreciate. I really appreciate. Let me see. 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 I really, really appreciate. Let me see. Which pair do you want me to analyze? Just come up with one particular pair so that I will analyze that. Come up with one particular pair so that we'll analyze that. Real quick, real quick, real quick. Come up with one particular pair so that we'll analyze that. First to just come up with one particular pair so that we'll analyze that. Real quick. I'll be waiting for your reply. Just come up with one particular pair. AUD USD. Okay, that's very great. Let me just go there and do the analysis. This trade has been long that I will enter this particular trade and it's still shit, man. It's been long, it's been long, it's been long, it's been long. It's been long. AUD USD, it's been long. How do I do this analysis? How do I do this analysis? Market is just unpredictable. Market is just okay. We went and make a double top here before it went in our favor. Okay. So, all right. I'm going to do a fresh analysis on this particular pair now, Iris. A fresh analysis on this particular pair. This particular pair on weekly time frame, it moved from this particular area. It moved from this particular area, this particular support level to the upside. You understand? And make a double top here. You understand? This is a support level, and this is the resistance level. You understand? This is the resistance level, and immediately the market reached this particular resistance level. This candlestick will close in the next 2 hour 24 minutes. You understand? This particular weekly candlestick, it will close in the next 2 hour 24 minutes. So it's going to close bearish engulf. You understand? So if eventually this particular candlestick close bearish engulf and the market is reversing from the resistance level, means we'll be expecting more sell. You understand? Next week on AUD USD. So I don't know if you are seeing this particular thing very well. I don't know if you are seeing the chart very, very clean and clear. This is weekly time frame, not daily time frame. And the market come to this particular resistance level and it's giving this particular bearish engulfing candle to the downside. Means we'll be experiencing a downtrend from next week, like that kind. From next week down to January, you understand, we'll be experiencing a downtrend. You understand, on this particular AUD USD. Even if AUD USD will go up, it will from this particular inner support level before it will go to the upside. You understand? This is an inner support level. You understand? The market might come to this particular inner support level and give us something like this. You understand? It might come to this particular inner support level and give us something like this. Consolidate a bit. consolidate a bit, then give us something like this and move to the upside. But in a short period of time, the market is going to move to the downside to this particular support level before we see any reaction at all. Then let's go to daily time frame and see how the market is behaving. Okay, on a daily time frame, this is the reason why I said the reason why like we got stop out is because I thought the market is coming to this particular fair value gap. You understand? As the market is moving from this particular area, I thought it's coming to this fair value gap. If you look closely, there's a fair value gap here. You understand? There's a fair value gap here. So I thought the market to like come to this particular fair value gap, then go to the downside, but it went above the fair value gap and make a clean double top. You understand? This is just a clean double top now. So there is a high chance that the market is coming to this particular inner support level. You understand? In a short period of time before we see any other push to the upside or before we see a break to the downside. But when it comes to this particular inner support level, there must be a reaction. You understand? That's what you need to know. This is a top-down analysis now that we are doing. So I don't know if you guys are understanding. This is a clean double top. As you can see, this is a clean double top. This is a resistance level, a clean resistance level. And the market, as you can see, the market is retracing to the downside. Then this is the next support level that the market will react from. You understand? Whenever the market come to this particular support level, it will react from this particular support level to the upside. You understand? But it will not go far. You understand? It will not go far. And maybe from this particular support level, it will consolidate and come down to this particular fair value gap. You understand? Because there is a fair value gap on the 1 hour time frame. So the market might come to this particular area like the fair value gap here. You understand? This particular gap, the gap that dey between this particular area and this particular candlestick to this particular candlestick is the fair value gap. You understand? This gap here, this is a fair value gap. Let me mark it out on the horizontal line. There is a fair value gap here. So the market might come all the way to this particular area before we see a push to the upside. Just watch out and see how it's going to play out because the market have make a double top even from the higher time frame. You understand? So it's going to play out just the way I'm analyzing it now. Like it just all you need to do is take a screenshot of this and come back maybe early January and see how it's going to be. You understand? Maybe before that January itself, because this is daily time frame and the market is approaching this particular support level already. You understand? Next week, we might see that the market will come to this particular support level. Then the following week, we'll see either the market will break to the downside, maybe to this particular fair value gap. You understand? Then if you see the direction of the market from the higher time frame like that, what you need to do is to go to your 4 hour time frame. You understand? Go to your 4 hour time frame. So the major area that I'm going to mark from this particular 1 hour time daily time frame now is the support and the resistance level. You understand? This is the support level. Then this is the resistance level. As you can see, this is the support level and this is the resistance level. Let me see. So please and please, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please click that subscribe button, please, and click the like button. Then turn on the bell notification bell for you to be notified whenever we are live. You understand? Okay, I'm seeing it, bro. That's very great. Okay, so let's continue. This is the major resistance level and this is the major support level. So the market have moved from this particular resistance level coming to the next support level. So we'll go to 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame now, we are going to mark a major like where market might react from. You understand? A support level where market might react from. Okay, this particular area is a support level where market might react from the on the 4 hour time frame. You understand? The reason why we are seeing a little push up from here is because there is a support level, because the markets consolidate around this particular area before it break to the upside. You understand? Market consolidate around this particular area before it move to the upside. You understand? That's the reason for this particular consolidation around this particular area. You understand? The market is giving a W pattern, but this particular W pattern is not going anywhere. You understand? It will break to the downside. That's just it. So then we'll still check another support level again. There's another support level down here. There's another support level down here. So there's another support level of which if the market come to this particular support level, we'll see a little retrace, just like exactly how you are seeing it here. You understand? So you do your top down analysis from the higher time frame, then come to 4 hour time frame and mark a support and resistance level out on the 4 hour time frame. So if the market is coming down, there is another support level here. You understand? There's another support level here. That's the reason why you not you not see from support to resistance, resistance to support, support to resistance, resistance to support, because of the previous support and resistance level. That's the reason why the market move like that. You understand? So the market don't move strictly to support level and strictly to resistance level that happen from the higher time frame. On the lower time frame, there is a minor support level that will make the market consolidate before it will break to the downside. So this is how I do my top down analysis. Then when it comes to technical analysis, you go to your execution time frame. You understand? When it comes to technical analysis, you go to your execution time frame. Like me now, like this. If the market is on this particular support level and I want to take a trade, I'll go to 15-minute time frame. You understand? Then on the 15-minute time frame, I'll be waiting for a bullish engulfing candle. You understand? I'll be waiting for bullish engulfing candle to form before I'll enter a trade. And what I'm seeing here is like bullish engulfing candle do not normally work on this particular pair like the other pairs that I trade. You understand? Although bullish engulfing candle push the market from here to this particular area. You understand? From this particular area to this particular area, but it's not that okay to me. Okay, the strategy that I see on this particular pair that work the most is morning star. You understand? Morning star. Whenever you see a morning star means the market is going to move from that particular support level to the next resistance level. You understand? And this is morning star on the 15-minute time frame. So this particular bearish candle and this particular indecision candle plus this particular bullish candle, this particular pattern, this pattern here, they call it morning star. You understand? This pattern here from here to this particular area. This pattern, I don't know if you are seeing the screen very well, but this pattern they call it morning star. But this is not the kind of strategy that I use take my trade. I stick to only bullish engulfing candle. You understand? And any particular pair that I discover that yes, bullish engulfing candle do not normally work on that particular pair, I'll just leave that particular pair. That's the reason why I stick to just 3 pairs. You understand? That's the reason why I stick to 3 pairs. You get? So this is how, like, if you want to do your technical analysis, you go to your execution time frame. That is where the real work starts. Doing a top down analysis is not hard, but doing a technical analysis to know where to enter from, that is where the issue is. Then where you put your stop loss is still another problem. Where you put your take profit is still another problem. So you have to work on yourself, work on your strategy, know how your strategy work very, very, very well. You understand? Very, very, very well. I don't know if you understand this particular little analysis that we do. I don't know if you understand this particular little analysis that we do. So if we are expecting a pullback that to that support level, why can't you